Yo, what is going on, you guys? I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. Welcome back to a brand new video. Now today, guys, I got a product sent to me and we are gonna go through it and review it. Alright, here it is. Livepor from China, fresh out of China. They asked me if I would do a review. We're gonna go through this vape, guys, and I'm gonna let you guys know my thoughts on this and if you should buy it. And if you want to buy it, the link is down in the description. Just get a quick look. All the plastic wraps on it. And this is the point where we fast forward it. Time roll we've been waiting for. Oh shit. Well, here's the vape, 100-watt vape, Livepor 100 is what it's called. It's a very sleek design. Turn this light down for you guys. There it is. Looks like a single battery, 28650 with an adapter for an 18650. Simple screen, 3 buttons. It looks like it might have lights on it. I'm gonna go ahead and put a battery in here, set it up with my new tank, and I'll let you guys know. Alright, so we put the one battery in, and it actually has lights. I don't know how to change the settings of the lights. Wait. What the hell? Did you not see the lights just going on? Okay, well the lights are just on. Oh, okay, so the lights go on. There's lights all around it. There's no really adjusting anything except for 3 clicks, and you can go to the menu, which is just all different powers. Here's my new tank. Can't remember what it's called. I'll put it up on the screen though. Just picked it up today for like $56. Pretty good though. To be honest, I like it better than that mesh that I've had for the longest time. It looked good with my other tank on here. The silver one or the gray one. New load. Okay, so when you put a new tank on it, it gives you option new and old load. Let it focus. Okay, it won't focus. New load. Okay. We'll go ahead and hit this. It's very light, that's what I could tell you. It actually looks cool. Very small, very sleek design. I give it a 10 out of 10. I mean, I'm at 37 watts. I'm getting the same amount of clouds as when I hit 45 on my iPriv, so. I'll give you guys up nice close-up B-roll shots for you guys so you can see exactly what this thing looks like. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, make sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new. Like always, hit that subscribe button. And anyways, I'm out, guys. This vape is actually pretty sick. I'll drop a link in the description of where you guys can cop this. They're pretty cheap actually, and I think this will be my daily vape. Honestly, I'll hang up the iPriv up on the shelf and call it a day for that thing. Peace.